Scotland, land of legends, rugged beauty. This is where the North Coast 500 awaits, a 516-mile adventure. It's a journey through history, nature, and sheer wonder. The NC 500 isn't a race, it's about soaking in the experience. Take your time. Embrace the unexpected detours. That's where the magic truly lies. Imagine dramatic coastlines. Towering mountains pierce the sky. Crystal-clear lochs reflect ancient stories. The NC 500 is a drive through a postcard. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a first-time visitor, the NC 500 promises an unforgettable adventure. So buckle up. Get ready to be captivated by Scotland's untamed beauty. Inverness, a vibrant city. Your adventure begins here. Explore the historic streets. Visit Inverness Castle. Its imposing presence overlooks the River Ness. Don't miss Culloden Battlefield, a poignant reminder of Scotland's past. Feel the weight of history as you walk through the moor. Reflect on the battle that shaped a nation. For a taste of local life, visit the Victorian market. Find unique souvenirs. Enjoy a hearty Scottish breakfast. It's the perfect way to fuel up for your journey. From Inverness, the NC 500 unfolds. Each turn reveals a new vista. Get ready to be amazed. This is just the beginning. Prepare to be spellbound. Wester Ross is a symphony of natural wonders. Towering mountains plunge into the sea. Deep, mysterious lochs shimmer in the sunlight. Drive the Bearlach na Bar. This winding road is not for the faint of heart. The reward, breathtaking views. Capture photos that will make you the envy of your friends. Visit Applecross, a charming village nestled on a peninsula. Enjoy fresh seafood. Savor the tranquility of this remote corner of Scotland. Keep your eyes peeled for wildlife. Red deer roam the hillsides. Seabirds soar above the crashing waves. Wester Ross is a haven for nature lovers. Sutherland, a land of contrasts. Rugged cliffs meet pristine beaches. Ancient castles stand guard over charming fishing villages. Hike to the cascading waters of Wailing Widow Falls. Legend says a grieving widow's cries echo in the rushing water. It's a place of haunting beauty and folklore. Explore the ruins of Ardvreck Castle. This once mighty fortress sits on the shores of Loch Assynt. Imagine the stories these crumbling walls could tell. Visit the Smoo Cave. This impressive sea cave will leave you speechless. Take a guided tour, learn about its geological formations, hear tales of Vikings and smugglers. Sutherland is a place that stays with you long after you leave. Its raw beauty and rich history are unforgettable. Caithness, the far north and its Viking heritage. Welcome to Caithness, the northernmost point of mainland Britain. This remote and rugged region is a treasure trove of natural beauty and historical significance. Here, the landscape changes dramatically, offering a visual feast for those who venture this far north. Rolling hills give way to vast, open spaces, creating a sense of endless freedom and tranquility. Visit Dunnet Head, the most northerly point of mainland Britain, and gaze out at the wild North Sea. The cliffs here are a haven for seabirds and offer breathtaking views. Spot seals basking on the rocks, a common sight along the rugged coastline. These playful creatures add to the charm of the area. If you're lucky, you might even see whales breaching offshore, a majestic sight that underscores the rich marine life of the region. Explore the dramatic ruins of Duncansby Head, where history and nature collide in a spectacular display. These sea stacks rise from the churning waves like ancient sentinels, standing guard over the coastline for centuries. Feel the power of the North Sea wind as it whips across the cliffs, a reminder of the raw, untamed nature of this land. Discover the history of the Vikings at the Caithness Horizons Museum in Thurso. This museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the lives of these legendary seafarers. Learn about their raids and settlements and how they left an indelible mark on the region. Trace their legacy in the local culture, from traditional music and dance to festivals that celebrate this rich heritage. Caithness is a land of stark beauty and captivating history, where every corner tells a story. It's a place to connect with nature and experience the raw power of the elements, a true adventure for the soul. Easter Ross, back to Inverness with a touch of tranquility. As your journey circles back towards Inverness, take time to savour the tranquility of Easter Ross. This region, often overlooked, is a hidden gem that offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Here, rolling farmland meets picturesque villages, creating a landscape that feels like a painting come to life. The gentle hills and lush fields are a testament to the area's agricultural heritage. It's the perfect place to unwind after your adventures. Visit the Black Isle, a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the natural beauty around you. Despite its name, it's actually a peninsula. The Black Isle offers stunning coastal views and a rich history that dates back centuries. Explore charming villages like Cromarty and Avoch. Indulge in fresh seafood, caught daily by local fishermen. These villages are perfect for a leisurely stroll with their quaint streets and friendly locals. Discover the enchanting world of dolphins at Shannonry Point. This is one of the best places in the UK to see these magnificent creatures up close. Watch these playful creatures frolic in the Moray Firth. Their acrobatics and playful nature are sure to bring a smile to your face. It's an experience you won't soon forget. The sight of dolphins leaping out of the water is truly magical and a highlight of any trip to Easter Ross. Take a stroll through the enchanting gardens of Foulis Castle. These gardens are a haven of peace and tranquility, perfect for a relaxing afternoon. Admire the colourful blooms and towering trees. The gardens are meticulously maintained, offering a riot of colour and a feast for the senses. It's a peaceful oasis of beauty. Whether you're a keen gardener or simply looking for a quiet place to relax, the gardens of Foulis Castle are sure to delight. Easter Ross offers a gentle return to civilization after the wild landscapes of the north. The contrast between the rugged north and the gentle rolling hills of Easter Ross is striking. It's a place to reflect on your journey and appreciate the simple pleasures of life. Whether it's the beauty of the landscape, the charm of the villages, or the warmth of the local people, Easter Ross is a place that will stay with you long after you've left. Savouring Scotland food, drink and accommodations. No Scottish adventure is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. The NC 500 offers a smorgasbord of culinary delights. Sample fresh seafood, savour succulent Highland beef, warm up with a hearty bowl of Cullen skink. Don't forget to try haggis, it's a Scottish delicacy. Wash it all down with a wee dram of whiskey. Visit a local distillery, learn the art of whiskey making. Take home a bottle to savour the memories. From cosy bed and breakfast to luxurious hotels, the NC 500 offers a range of accommodations. Book in advance, especially during peak season. Experience true Scottish hospitality. Adventure awaits, outdoor activities and hidden gems. The NC 500 is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Hike through ancient forests, kayak on pristine lochs, cycle along winding coastal roads, explore hidden beaches, discover secluded waterfalls. Get lost in the rugged beauty of the Scottish Highlands. For a unique experience, visit the Corrishalloch Gorge National Nature Reserve. Walk across a suspension bridge high above a dramatic gorge. Feel the spray of the cascading waterfall. Visit the Cielo Moor Cliffs. These towering cliffs are home to thousands of seabirds. Witness their aerial acrobatics as they soar through the air. It's a truly awe-inspiring sight. Essential tips for your North Coast 500 adventure. Planning your own NC 500 adventure. Whether you're a seasoned traveller or a first-time explorer, the North Coast 500 offers something for everyone. Here are some essential tips to ensure a smooth and unforgettable journey. Best time to visit. May to September offers the best weather. During these months, you can enjoy long daylight hours and relatively mild temperatures, perfect for exploring the stunning landscapes. Pack for all seasons, even in summer. Be prepared for rain and wind. Scotland's weather can be unpredictable, so it's wise to bring layers, waterproof clothing and sturdy footwear. Book accommodations in advance. The NC 500 is popular, especially during peak season. From charming bed and breakfast to luxurious hotels, booking ahead ensures you have a comfortable place to rest each night. Take your time. Don't rush the journey. The beauty of the NC 500 lies in its scenic routes and hidden gems. Allow yourself the freedom to stop and take in the breathtaking views. Allow ample time to explore and savor the experience. Whether it's hiking a trail, visiting a historic site, or simply enjoying a picnic by the sea, make the most of every moment. Embrace the unexpected. Detours and spontaneous stops often lead to the best discoveries. Some of the most memorable experiences come from unplanned adventures. Respect the environment. leave no trace of your visit. Scotland's natural beauty is one of its greatest treasures, so be sure to pack out what you pack in and follow local guidelines to protect the environment. Pack out what you pack in. Most importantly, have fun, enjoy the journey, and create lasting memories with friends and family. The North Coast 500 is a journey of a lifetime. Must-see destinations: Inverness Castle, Culloden Battlefield, where history comes alive and the past meets the present; Bealach na Ba, Applecross, Wailing Widow Falls, each offering unique landscapes and experiences that will leave you in awe; Ardvrek Castle, Smoo Cave, Dunnet Head, Duncansby Head, Shanonry Point, Corrie Shallock Gorge, CLO Moorcliffs. Each of these locations offers a glimpse into Scotland's rich history and natural beauty. The North Coast 500 is more than just a road trip. It's an adventure that takes you through some of the most stunning and diverse landscapes in the world. It's a journey into the heart of Scotland's soul. From the rugged highlands to the serene lochs, every turn offers a new perspective and a deeper connection to this beautiful country. So, what are you waiting for? The adventure of a lifetime is just a plan away. Start planning your adventure today. Gather your maps, pack your bags, and get ready to explore the North Coast 500.